everybody, TR once again. Hey, we're trying to finish up our bottom end video, show you all the steps that we go to. In our previous one, I told you I would show you our drop test. So I call it the drop test, but it's how we basically check our end play. So what I've got here is I've got a soft mallet here that you see here, and I take my flywheel assembly. This is all torqued, and the Timken bearing is pulled up, or I'm sorry, the Timken bearing is pulled up so you can see here. And I just tap that down. You don't have to beat it. I mean, if you have to beat it to get your end play to read properly, you've got an issue. So what that does, that seats the bearing all in one direction. And then what I do is I check it in two places. I check it with my rods down, and I check it with my rods up. So I come in here, and I'll zero my indicator. I make sure that everything is nice and straight. And then I just pick this bottom end up, and I sit it right over here on this edge. Right there, and as if you see right there, that's 2.5 end play on that Timken bearing, okay? So then what I'll do is I'll come back in here and I'll run this thing around again. Just tap it, and then I'll leave my rods in the up position, and I'll come in here and then I'll recheck that again as well. And like I say, you don't have to beat on these things or anything like that. It's just what you're wanting. You're wanting this all just to kind of float, and that's why we do it this way. Zero there. I always hold on to my rod so that my flywheels don't move. Pick it up and sit it over there. And if you see that one's about 2.2. So, and the reason that I check it in the top and the bottom is just to make sure that I got in play on both rods up and rods down. So anyways, that is our drop test. And that's how we set the end play and finalize the end play. Now this is all torqued down, as you can see, and when that's all torqued down, that thing will be just as smooth as silk. Now one of the things, I had a customer call me one time and said, oh, my bottom end wasn't near as smooth as yours was in the video after they received it from us. And that's because when I'm checking this, I do not have the double lip seal in here. We run a double lip seal in here and that will have a lot of drag on it. So it will still be smooth, but it may not just float from top to bottom. But that is because you gotta have the seal, and that's the pressure of the seal that's slowing it down. So thank you very much.